quiet fire begins to rise from longing deep within. A steady pull toward higher truth, where change can now begin. This inner flame does not destroy, it clears what hides the way, removing weight and dullness that once caused strength to fade. Through aspiration, power wakes. Through purity, it flows. What was concealed within the self now steadily grows. The body clears, the senses align with something vast and true. A deeper strength comes into form as light moves fully through. Each layer gently purified makes room for something more. Emotions settle, thought refines, the soul moves to the fore. The fire works with patient care, not rushed, not forced, not wild. It shapes the vessel from within, both focused and reconciled. Through aspiration, power wakes. Through purity, it flows. What was concealed within the self now steadily grows. The body clears, the senses align with something vast and true. A deeper strength comes into form as light moves fully through. Awakened centers come online, responding to the flame. Energy moves with purpose now, no longer bound by strain. Alignment forms between the worlds of matter, mind, and soul. A harmony begins to build that shapes and strengthens all. In aspiration joined with truth, the inner fire is known, a force that clears and strengthens and brings the soul fully home. Through purity, the self becomes a vessel clear and bright, prepared to carry higher will and walk within